Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know, back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. I know one of y'all commented that, hey man, on the last video I did with me washing Bria's car, y'all said the back was kind of weak. So I do read y'all comments. I probably don't do it in the next video because a lot of my videos are pre-recorded. So this is my first video since seeing that comment, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I got one quick one for y'all today. I saw this on TikTok, guys. That's right, TikTok. If y'all are not on TikTok, man, I'm telling y'all, TikTok is the new thing. And it's been the thing for a while now. Actually, they found that more people are watching TikTok videos than YouTube videos. So it shows y'all how powerful TikTok is. So I found this next one on TikTok. I just want to share. I want to try it. So it's this right here. Boom. It is Meguiars whole car air refresher odor eliminator. It's a permanent odor elimination. So basically what you're supposed to do is 3 steps. Step 1, you take this thing right here, right? And you set it off in the vehicle for 15 minutes with all the windows rolled up and with the air on high with circulation, inside circulation. So the little inside circulation button, if y'all wondering, that one right there. So you set that on, set it to high, and you just let this spray. It does spray like a mist in the air for 15 minutes. And then once you're done with that, after 15 minutes it's done, you take it out and let the car or truck air out for 10 minutes. And then that's it. So it's an odor eliminator. It's not an air freshener. It's supposed to eliminate all the odors in your vehicle. So why not? Let's give it a try. Let's open it up. I mean, it's not much to it. Here's the can. Go ahead, take this off. Now, placement. It says you're supposed to place like in between the front and back seats on the floor. I have no idea whether it is. Like, what do you mean in between the front and back seats on the floor? Only place in between the front and back seats is like here. So the video, the guy placed it in his cup holder. So I'm just gonna place it back here. I might just do it here in this cup holder. So that's step 1. We got in what we want to do. Step 2 is to start the vehicle. So let's do that. Start it. Now, turn your AC all the way up to max. I'm gonna do max AC. Is it max? Yeah, max AC with the circulation on. And you just press this tab. Supposed to just press this down. Oh, there it goes. And then, yeah, oh, it's strong. And you close the door. Sorry. For 15 minutes. You just let it run. So it shouldn't leave no stains or nothing. So let me go ahead. I can tell you, I can smell the scent. Let's go ahead and set a clock. Timer. 15 minutes. Start it. Yeah, you just let it run for 15 minutes. Is it still going? Oh yeah, it's still going. Y'all see it? Hopefully it don't mess up my leather or nothing, man. I don't think it should, but yeah. So let that run for 15 minutes here. I'm just gonna hang out. Yeah, and I'll see y'all when it's done. Well, actually, guys, the spray has already stopped, and I only had 13 minutes and 30 seconds left to go, and the spray has already stopped spraying. I'm not sure it was supposed to do that, or that's the process, or what, but no, we go wait. So it's been 20 minutes. Go ahead, stop that. Let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, you definitely can smell like chemicals. Now, you're supposed to. Let me see if this thing empty. Oh yeah, it's empty. Now, it's supposed to let it air out. So let's let all the windows down. Here, so you can see. Right. Okay. Open up the rear window too. All right, supposed to keep the car running. Let's see. So it says turn off vehicle and let air out for 10 to 15 minutes. So, turn it off. Take the keys out. Cool. So I definitely can tell it smells pretty fresh. I actually got the Summer Breeze scent. When I went to my AutoZone, they had 3 different ones. They had Summer Breeze, New Car, and like Black Ice, I think. So yeah, so we're gonna let it air out for about 10 more minutes. All right, let's do 12 minutes. All right, well, we'll do 12 more minutes and let's see what it smells. But I definitely can tell you it has a scent in it for sure. All right, guys, it did say open the doors, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open the doors and let it air out that way. The box is pretty cool though. While I'm waiting, it shows you like traditional odor movers and then Meguiars air refresher, like all the areas it hits, and it says finds odor wherever they are and eliminates them permanently. Also, it tells you while you're waiting, like on the steps 1, 2, 3. It really is easy. It says you should go ahead and wash the outside of your car at this time while you're waiting. So give you something to do while you wait. I do want to question while I'm sitting there, guys. I have been going live on YouTube for like the past month. I go live for like 5 minutes, but no one joins. I asked my wife, she said she is not getting any notifications when I go live. So I'm wondering if that's an issue. I did get the new iPhone, so I'm not sure if something is not activated or turned on. I don't know, but you guys, I've been trying to go live for y'all like every Thursday. I only been uploading one time a week, and hopefully all that'll be explained here soon. But so I like, let me just replace that with live videos. But yeah, like no one joins. I'm not sure if anyone's not getting notifications or what the case may be. But so I'm trying to figure it out. But I have been trying to go live to come kick it with y'all. But yeah, so let me know if you are getting no notifications and you just can't make it, or you haven't received anything. So I'm sitting in the truck right now after using the product. You definitely can smell the scent of the product still. And I had the door open, y'all saw for like, I did like 12, 14 minutes or something like that. But you still can definitely smell it in here. It's not bad. It's a fresh smell. Again, that was summer breeze, so I'm curious like how the new car scent would smell, or the black ice. It's kind of a strong smell, I will be honest with you. It's not like a faint smell. Eyes burn a little bit maybe, or maybe I'm tripping. But so I don't know. But okay, I guess to sum it up, I mean, you see them talking about, I guess to sum it up, it smells fresher. I can smell the smell of the thing. The car smells good, but it's a strong smell. Like it's not odor free for sure. But also there's no damage or any spray or residue from the spray anywhere. Like it doesn't stain your interior. Yeah, so there's nothing like, you know, y'all see I set it off right here. There's literally nothing down here. So I guess I'd say it works. Like it smells fresh in here, just strong. So just know if you do this and then plan to go driving for the rest of the day, you know, you might have to deal with that smell. I'm gonna get Brielle's opinion too, see if she thinks she get in here because she smelled the difference. So you say hey? Go ahead, hop in. All right. And fellas, open the door for your woman. I do it all the time now, don't it? He does. You had to train me, but I do it now. I ain't used to do it at all. I'd be like, you got your own door, your hands ain't broke. But she didn't train me to do it, so I do it all the time now, man. So here we go. Let's see what she thinks. What you think? Feel good. You can smell something though, right?
Yeah, I smell something.
Yeah. Think you smell good though?
What it is.
Okay.
It's not one of those things where, no offense, somebody would get in here, but oh, it smells good in here.
Yeah.
It's just like it don't stink in here.
Right. It's like
my car. You get in my car, it's like, oh, you have like a Bath and Body Works. Like it's a very like distinct smell. Yours is just like, oh, okay, it just smells clean.
It smells clean in here, right? Yeah, that's.
I would think that you like went to the car wash today or something.
Perfect. So I guess the product worked, guys, because that was supposed to be the purpose. Like it's a odor eliminator, refresher.
Okay, yeah.
So it smells like,
it's more of a refresher, like you said.
Yeah, smells clean.
Yes.
Yeah. There y'all go. So you think it worth it?
Yeah.
$7, $8? Like $7, $8. Yeah.
How long does it last though?
That's the question. I asked that to I read reviews. One person said a month, and one lady said 2 days. But it's supposed to be a refresher. It's not a. It's just like a. Yeah, it's not like the clips. Yeah. It's just a refresher to like. It's supposed to kill odor in your car. Oh. Like you had like a bad spill or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say like that's something you do like when you go pick up food, because you know that like food kind of lingers.
Yeah, food.
Like that, or
you got pets, or somebody threw up in your car. You know,
just like spruce it up some.
Yeah.
Well, if it lasts like a couple of days.
That's what one girl lady said. It was reviewed. Somebody said last months.
Yeah, if it lasts like a good amount of time, then I would say it's worth it. But like, I would say come back down here like tomorrow or the next day or something, and then see if like you can still kind of tell.
Well, Monday I'll be able to do it.
Yeah. Too, so. If you can't smell it by Monday, then I'll probably say yeah.
Well, but what if it still smells like, what if that like the stench or maybe the smell you were having issue with is gone? Like now it just like smells.
Oh, well, then,
it works, you know? Yeah. So I guess it depends on what you're trying to accomplish, you know? Yeah, anyway, she likes it. I think it smells pretty fresh. It's been what, 3 or 4 hours since I applied it, so there y'all go. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. That's all I got. Say bye. Peace. All right, peace.